Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after tune-up report for Sherb in North Carolina, my friend, on his present Lincoln 2 Plus. Sherb just got out of the box. I'll show you what it's doing on my meters. RF power all the way down, 25 watt slug. So about a watt. Let me show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. Just to show you I am modulating. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, all right, so it's not even doing anything pretty much. 25 watt slug. That's a 10 watt deck here all the way up. That's quite a bit higher than it needs to be. Hello, swings forward to 12, and you do get some forward modulation to 45 to 50 that way, but that at that carrier level, that's just useless. So we're gonna go through and get this thing fixed up. You wanted the voltage regulator upgrade as well as the ERF 2030 FETs for durability. So we'll be back in just a little bit. All right, and we're back. What seemed like a mere second to you guys was a couple hours for me. So we went in here and I sent you some pictures. Sherb, you know, these are known for not having any heat sink compound on the heat sink and so forth. So we took care of that, removed it, cleaned it up, applied the compound. Put the ERF 2030 pluses in the final section, as well as electrolytic cap upgrade and the voltage regulator upgrade. I went through, did our tune alignment, got you all fixed up here. So we remember before, it was dead keying about, I think, a watt, watt and a half with no forward swing at all. Now all the way down is a half a watt, and as you can tell, it's already swinging forward some. Now from a half a watt, you won't show a lot of forward bird. There's a 25 watt slug. Oh, it's swinging to 7.5 bird average. 50 watt slug at PEP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Talking 45 watts instead of not swinging at all. I'm gonna roll it up here. 5 watts all the way up. Average power swing, hello, 17.5 bird, 50 watt slug, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio, 1, 2. Let's roll it down to about 2.5 watts. Hello, nice, nice. So we're still getting about a 13 bird there. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Going over here, FM, all the way up. We got it set right there, about 11 watts, safe range. Sideband. Over here, power all the way down. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 20 watts all the way down, all the way up. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 45 all the way up. All right, Sherb, I got it ready to go for you, bud. Hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.